Here I have a spool, or a wheel, with a ribbon wrapped around the axle. I'm going to orient it with the ribbon coming off the top of the axle, and I'm going to pull it like this. Pause the video and predict what's going to happen. Now I'll orient it slightly differently so the ribbon comes off the bottom of the axle. Pause the video and predict what's going to happen when I pull the ribbon. Now I still have the ribbon coming off the bottom of the axle, but I'm going to pull at an angle, like this. Pause the video and predict what's going to happen.